What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on the Space ID, your daily update on it. Again necessary because yesterday we got some bearish moves, bearish breakout as well, and just wanted to give you my thoughts on what's next for Space ID. Wanted to give you it's in the end it's my opinion of course, but we'll take a look. We'll talk a little bit about fundamentals and apart from that, we'll talk about technicals. There's quite a lot to talk about. There's some interesting things I think I can tell you, but we'll see, and I'll leave it up to you as well. But for now, before we get into Space ID specifically, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But now onto Space ID. So what you can see right now is that Space ID has lost some of its bullish momentum. What happened yesterday is that this level at around 72 and 70 cents fell. We were not able to hold it, which is it mainly was bearish momentum coming from Space ID. I mean, there was some pressure from the markets as well. But not during this whole time. So it's yeah. In the end, I mean, in the video I made yesterday on it, what I said was that I didn't think we could break through this level right here. And that's also what I've been saying for the last couple of videos, for the last couple of days. I always said, well, we are bearish. Perhaps we can still get up to like 75, 76 cents, but I do not think we can break above that. Just this entire level is very strong. And now we also got some bearish confirmation. Now, what we also did is you had this little trend line right here. I'm not sure how respected this is. I think it's respected. I think it's valid at the very least. We also took a bearish breakout and retest right there. So that's another bearish confirmation. And just in general, and I do want to highlight that I think Space ID itself, the project, is great. Perhaps even undervalued at 200 million if we're taking a look at the long term. But this entire move that we've seen in the last half a month or so, has been manipulated 100%. There was nothing supporting a move like this. So that's why I've been bearish on it. I'm not bearish on the project. I'm bearish on the price currently. So I think at some point we will break down below our main support level again, which is 65 cents. We had some sort of a fake out once before, but 65 cents still really is the last support level. I think we'll have a bearish breakout and a move down to 58 cents. At some point. That's still my most likely scenario. Now, I do want to acknowledge that I do think technically this level between 67 and 65 cents is quite strong. So even though we had the bearish confirmations by dropping down below 72 and 70 cents and having that break retest off of 69 cents and the trend line, I still think that there's a possibility that we can hold this level. Like for example, tomorrow on Sunday, I do expect some bullish momentum throughout the markets. So if we are still on top of 65 by that period of time, we could actually have some bullish momentum back up to 71 and 72 cents. I do not think we will break above that, but still. But then even if that happens, as I said, I just think it will be a matter of time before we do something like this again. I think overall the trend is down. That's even better to see on the 4-hour time frame. We just had some sort of bullish momentum, some sort of a second rally, perhaps you could call it. But I do think that the overall direction will continue. Something else that will also continue is my daily update. So if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe. But for now, this is my take on ID. So thank you for watching. Take care today and bye.